All right, I want to tell you a story about my childhood. So I'm really good at math, not bragging, just telling you. Really good at math. I was one of those kids in school who would skip a bunch of steps on the math homework and then just write down the answer. And my teachers would get mad at me. They'd tell me, well, you have to write down all the steps. And I'd tell them, well, I can do it faster in my head. So I don't really want to write down all the steps. And they say, you have to do it anyway. And it was kind of annoying to me back then. Still kind of is a little bit, obviously. But I wanted to fast forward that to now, this week. I was feeling very, very productive this week, a lot more productive than I have been in the last couple of weeks before this. And I made some goals earlier, well, last week. And there was just goals about what kind of stuff I wanted to get done this week and where I wanted to be at with my Facebook page, my Facebook group, and that kind of stuff. And I was able to get a lot of that stuff done, but I didn't write any of it down. I did my traditional do it all in my head and then think about it and get it done type of project. So I do that a lot, and I've been thinking that it would be good to also get that kind of stuff down on paper. And not because I can't do it in my head, but because it would be good to be able to see what I'm actually getting done, what I'm not getting done, how I can improve. And I mean, we learned at the Insight event that there's a lot of different personalities and what they are and stuff. And I'm one of those personalities, I guess, that doesn't finish a lot of tasks. Like you start one project, you don't finish it, start another project, you don't finish it. Shiny object syndrome. Anyways, Todd also mentioned, though, that little children are able to switch in between those personalities at will to get what they want. And I feel like when I want it, like I can switch out of that personality and I can actually get stuff done and take it to completion. But it would be even more productive, I feel like, to actually write it down and to track what I'm getting done, what I'm not getting done. And it's an area where I've been struggling, I guess. I don't really know what's going to work for me. I like doing stuff on computers. I really like having my task list go with me, whether I'm at home or whether I'm on the go. So I like using computers and like mobile apps to do that kind of stuff. But I found that it's a little harder than just having it written on paper to make sure that I look at it every day. So I'm kind of trying to think through what would be the best route for me to go. So if anyone has any suggestions, you can comment on the video. What works for you when you're tracking your tasks and you're tracking what you need to get done, what you have and haven't got done. And I know that with one of the Entra videos, they were talking about using Trello and creating a Trello board and moving things around and everything. And I've tried that and I like it because I can take it with me on my phone, but at the same time, I guess I don't have it set into my daily routine where I look at it every single morning. So maybe that still would be a good thing for me to use if I actually looked at it every day as part of my schedule, but I don't. So, yeah. So I'd love to hear from all of you what you do to track what you're getting done, what you're not getting done, what's worked for you, what hasn't worked. So, yeah, just share on the video in the comments on Facebook, wherever you're at, and let me know. Thanks for watching.